Hey guys, it's Gezza. On my Instagram, a video popped up and it's a fan art of me for my 500 subscriber special. So we're going to be checking that out today. This is reacting to YouCuber's fan art. Okay, so they are searching me up. Found me.
What's up guys, it's YouCuber's, and if you didn't know already,
Oh wow.
Speedcubing has recently hit 500 subscribers. So as a congratulations, I'll be doing a fan art of him. Let's get started.
Wow. This is amazing. Wonder how much time this would have taken. Guys, this is actually amazing. Guys, this is like insanely accurate. I can't believe how this person did it. Not just the artwork, but the time and effort they put into it. This is seriously brilliant. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There we go, guys.
So congratulations to Speedcubing for hitting 500 subscribers. The next goal is 1000 subscribers, and I hope you hit it as soon as possible. This video was very fun to make, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, I hope you can subscribe and like this video. And as always, thank you and see you next time.
Massive shout out to YouCuber's. I'll link his Instagram and YouTube channel in the description, and please check them out. Thank you so much for the fan art. Honestly, this is amazing. Thanks so much.